Introduction, RO2S. Installation. Put tray assembly. Insert water filter. Cover the stainless steel tray. Install the main unit. Operation. Smart mode. Sensor mode. Choose one of the modes. Smart mode is recommended. Smart mode. Press and hold button to power on. Defaults to smart mode and UVC. Green light on. Dispenser water for 30 seconds. Green light is flashing. Entering 15-minute sleep mode. After 15-minute sleep mode, it continuously scents and dispenses water. Sensor mode. Press the button to switch to sensor mode. Dispense water when sense the pet until the pet leaves. Timer reminder change filter light. After replacing the filter, double-click to restart the filter light. The light will illuminate every 30 days. Needs to be manually turned off. UVC sterilization. After power on, the UVC is turned on by default. UVC automatically sterilizes for 15 minutes every 12 hours. Charging. Please use normal charger. It does not support fast charger. Insert the charging cable. Cleaning. Washable and non-washable. Main unit non-washable. Stainless steel tray washable. Water filter washable. Tray assembly washable. Water tank washable. Deep cleaning water pump. Remove the sponge. Remove the pump cover. Remove the impeller cover. Remove the impeller by tweezer. Brush it. Insert the impeller. Insert the impeller cover. Insert the pump cover. Put in the sponge. Done.